Hello! I have built my very first computer, and I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of everything that I put in it. Alright, first off, it is the NZXT Phantom 410 case with a disk drive that I am not completely sure of. It came off of my old computer, which no longer has a disk drive. And with it, it comes with 5 bays for whatever you want to put in there. Disk drives, extra USB slots. Currently, 2 terabytes of data, 1 internal hard drive, 1 external hard drive, which is down there. 16 gigabytes of RAM in 2 Corsairs, 8 gigabytes each. What is it? Crap, I forgot what that is called, but it is a Noctua NHL12 low-profile cooler. If I get any of these wrong, it'll be in the description. Motherboard is a PZ77 motherboard with the ability to have 4 graphics cards in it. My current graphics card is a AMD Radeon 6670. It is not very good. $70 at Best Buy will get you this card, and it'll run about everything on medium to high settings, just saying. At about 30 frames on medium, 25 frames on high sometimes, some games not. Let's see. CPU, that would be a i5 357K processor. Power supply would be a 600 watt power supply from, I believe it is Thermaltite, for whatever, I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. Temps, I'll pull up the temps. Resolution of a screen, 1680 by 1050. This also came off my old computer. It is a decent monitor, and it runs a lot of things decently. Well, that's loading up. Keyboard, a Cyborg V7 keyboard. Multiple different options, completely touch sensitive. You can put it on gaming mode. Headphones, Razer Charakayas, I have no clue how to pronounce it. Great headphones, by the way. Mouse, Razer Death Adder. And then for my webcam, I just have a PS3 iCamera, which actually I've done some things to make that work. Alright, temps. I know my camera can focus in. Fairly cool. That cooler works wonders. I was actually surprised with how well it kept the CPU cool. The max I've been able to put it at is about 50 degrees Celsius, and that was like rendering a video and playing Battlefield 3 at the same time. So I was pushing it a bit, but it was able to hold together fairly nicely. The only thing that I'm gonna upgrade is I'm gonna get hopefully soon 2 GTX 650 Ti boosts running SLI. That will give me some definitely big improvement in performance. If you'd like to learn more, I'm going to be posting this to Reddit's buildapc, and that's where it will go. If I left out any specs, it will also be in that post. So look at that, man. It came together really well. I did my best to do as good of cable management as I possibly could. As you can see, there aren't very many cables sticking out all over the place, which is nice. With the case, very nice case, but it's big. It's a big case. Total weight of the thing's probably about 60 pounds, like with everything in it. Fairly heavy computer, but it was worth it. It looks nice. Fans in the case, one right there, one right there. Possibility to get another one just like that right there. 2 fans on the door. an ability to get another big one on the side. That is basically my computer. And thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, so far this computer has cost me about $800. With a new graphics card, it will probably be about $1,100, possibly. Maybe a little bit less or more if I can get a better deal. Anywhere from $1,000 to $1,100 has been the total price of this computer when I am completely finished with it with the new graphics cards. Alright, thank you for watching. This has been my computer. Thank you.